So Valerie, talking about these regulations like FiDA and PSR and PSD3, that sounds pretty legalese and pretty technical. How does one get consumers and businesses excited about this topic?
Well, that's a very good question, and I don't think that consumers really know what open banking, open finance is. I think what we need to talk about is the product and the services that open banking and open finance can offer, which is products and services that solve for problem, that meets the pain points, but also improve the overall experience, right? And that's what we should focus the narrative around. And if you think about, helping a consumer seeing their data around banking, insurance, pension, all together to have a better and more holistic view of their financial health, and then helping them taking a better decision, that's a plus for them, and that's going to excite them.
No, I would totally agree with you. They're not going to get excited about the infrastructure. They're going to get excited about what you can do with it. And I think a nice parallel is the electricity. When that was wired into everybody's home, nobody was interested in how the wires run. But suddenly you can plug in lights, and you have a toaster, and you have a television, and you can do lots of new things which you couldn't do before. And I think open banking is like that. It unlocks data, and suddenly you can do new things which you weren't aware of before.
Yeah.
Would you agree with that?
I completely agree. And to your point, I think there is a lot of pain point today by lack of automations, by lack of digitization. And I think indeed open finance can support that and unlock, to your point, a lot of the use cases.
And maybe just to hone in on that, I think that's an area people are not talking enough about, in my view.
Yeah.
Because actually optimizing business processes, things like invoicing and onboarding and cost saving and improving processes, which is where 80% of the money is. It's in B2B and not in the consumer space. So if we can optimize that, then we're doing a great job, and open banking, I think, can really help there.